Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best robot vacuums designed to make home cleaning easier and more convenient. These smart vacuums offer powerful suction, intelligent mapping, and hands-free operation to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, incredible suction, dual mops with 12mm auto lift and carpet detection, AI obstacle avoidance, auto mop washing and drying, self-emptying, self-refilling. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is designed as a fully automated cleaning solution that combines powerful vacuuming with advanced mopping technology. Built for homes with mixed flooring, this model delivers strong suction performance capable of lifting embedded dust, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. One of its standout features is the dual rotating mop system with 12mm auto lift capability. When the robot detects carpet, the mop pads automatically raise to prevent moisture from touching the surface. This allows seamless transition between vacuuming and mopping without manual intervention. Carpet detection works alongside intelligent surface recognition, ensuring the correct cleaning mode is applied automatically. On hard floors, the spinning mop pads apply consistent downward pressure to help remove stains and dried residue. AI obstacle avoidance enhances navigation by identifying and maneuvering around objects such as shoes, cables, and small household items. This reduces the risk of tangling or interruptions during cleaning cycles. The Omni base station handles multiple maintenance tasks automatically. It self-empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, dries them to reduce odor buildup, and refills the water tank when needed. This significantly reduces hands-on maintenance and supports longer periods between manual servicing. Number 2. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum with Matrix Clean Navigation, Home Mapping, 60-day capacity, XL self-empty base for homes with pets, carpet and hard floors, cool gray. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is designed to deliver strong cleaning performance with intelligent navigation and hands-free convenience. Built to handle both carpets and hard floors, this model focuses on deep cleaning and efficient home coverage. Matrix Clean Navigation is a key feature that enables the robot to move in a precise grid pattern, covering areas multiple times to ensure thorough debris pickup. This systematic cleaning pattern reduces missed spots compared to random navigation systems. The powerful suction system effectively captures pet hair, dust, and everyday debris. It performs well on both low-pile carpets and hard surfaces, making it suitable for homes with mixed flooring. Home mapping technology allows the robot to create a detailed layout of your space. Once mapped, users can target specific rooms for cleaning or schedule full home runs. Voice control compatibility adds convenience, enabling hands-free commands through supported voice assistants. The XL self-empty base holds up to 60 days of debris, reducing the frequency of manual dustbin emptying. This feature is especially helpful for homes with pets, where hair accumulation can be frequent. The design focuses on practical performance and reduced maintenance. Its brush system is engineered to handle pet hair while minimizing tangles, supporting consistent suction efficiency over time. This robot vacuum is well suited for pet owners and busy households that want structured cleaning patterns, strong suction, long self-empty intervals, and voice-controlled convenience. Number 3. Roborock Q7M5 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, 10,000 pascals Hyperforce Suction, Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, Dual Anti-Tangle System, App-Controlled Mopping, LiDAR Navigation, for pet hair and carpet, black. The Roborock Q7M5 is built for households that need strong suction performance combined with smart navigation and mopping capability. With up to 10,000 pascals Hyperforce Suction, this robot vacuum is designed to lift deeply embedded dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets while maintaining efficient pickup on hard floors. The powerful suction makes it especially effective in homes with pets, where hair and dander can accumulate quickly. On carpets, the increased airflow helps pull debris from fibers, while on hard surfaces it captures fine dust and larger particles in a single pass. The dual anti-tangle system reduces hair wrapping around the brush rollers, minimizing maintenance and maintaining consistent performance over time. This feature is particularly useful for long hair and pet owners who want fewer interruptions during cleaning cycles. LiDAR navigation enables precise room mapping and structured cleaning paths. Instead of random movement, the Q7M5 scans the layout of your home and cleans in efficient, organized rows. Through the companion app, users can customize cleaning zones, schedule sessions, adjust suction levels, and control water flow for mopping. The mopping function adds an extra layer of cleaning for hard floors. Water output can be adjusted through the app, allowing light daily maintenance or deeper cleaning passes as needed. This model is well suited for medium to large homes that require strong suction, advanced mapping, and reduced maintenance for pet hair and mixed flooring. Number 4. Leffin M210 Pro Robot Vacuum with 2200 pascals powerful suction, 6 cleaning modes, 120 minutes runtime, quiet, self-charging, voice control, ideal for pet hair and hard floor, white. The Leffin M210 Pro is designed as a compact and affordable robot vacuum that focuses on daily maintenance cleaning, especially for hard floors and pet hair. With 2200 pascal suction power, it delivers reliable pickup of dust, crumbs, and hair without being overly loud. Its slim profile allows it to reach under furniture such as beds, sofas, and cabinets where debris tends to collect. This makes it practical for apartments and smaller living spaces where accessibility matters. The vacuum offers 6 cleaning modes, including automatic, edge cleaning, and spot cleaning. This flexibility allows users to target specific areas or allow full room coverage depending on their needs. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, the M210 Pro can clean a moderate-sized area before automatically returning to its charging dock. The self-charging feature ensures it is ready for the next scheduled session without manual intervention. Voice control compatibility adds convenience, allowing basic commands through supported smart assistants. The brushless suction port design helps reduce hair tangling compared to traditional roller brush systems. Its quieter operation makes it suitable for homes where minimal noise disruption is preferred, such as during work hours or nighttime cleaning. This robot vacuum is ideal for users looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly cleaning solution for daily upkeep on hard floors and light carpets. Number 5. iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum with Auto-Empty Dock for carpet and hard floor, self-empties for 75 days, easy to use, intense power lifting suction, LiDAR navigation, cleans in neat rows. The iRobot Roomba 105 Vac combines structured navigation with powerful suction and extended hands-free maintenance. Designed for both carpet and hard floors, this model focuses on thorough cleaning with minimal user involvement. Intense power lifting suction helps loosen and lift dirt from carpet fibers while maintaining strong performance on hard surfaces. The brush system works alongside suction airflow to capture pet hair, dust, and everyday debris effectively. LiDAR navigation allows the robot to map the home accurately and clean in neat, organized rows. This systematic approach improves coverage and reduces missed areas compared to random navigation models. The auto-empty dock enables the robot to empty its dustbin automatically, storing debris for up to 75 days. This feature significantly reduces maintenance frequency and is especially beneficial for homes with pets or high traffic. The overall system is designed for simplicity and reliability, making it easy to use while delivering consistent performance. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best robot vacuums here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these robot vacuums caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.